we can do projects to improve the language skill when we learn foreign language. Just not only learning, but also making something new with the help of AI. Now, I started in learning foreign language, especially Vietnamese, since 2023, about 20, almost 30, uh, uh, 21, 21, 22 months. This is a long time. At the beginning of learning, I used the AI to make references. By doing online language exchange, I review the reference to my language partners simply and reading and repeating and making conversation for 1 year. And then it was also good. Now and it was effective, I saw. But we needed to much more creative way to learn foreign language in the era of AI. And also, I decided to focus on spoken language to improve the communication skill by listening, speaking in good pronunciation. Not only English, but also Vietnamese as well. With the foundation of Korean, the language Korean. So today I talk about creative way to use AI. What AI now available? There are so many. Mostly I use ChatGPT 5 and then Google Studio AI to communicate with in Vietnamese with AI. And also I start using NotebookLM to make projects with my uh, younger and Vietnamese helper who involved in uh, digital creator in Vietnam. What's new? And then since I started learning in 2023 and also my channel Best of Tour, I had many contents. So I realized that using Notebook LM, successfully we link, share the video from YouTube. Then I can create shortly the target language. Yeah, setting up the language in Vietnamese and then simply only uploading the link, my video, the contents that I want to review. And then the summary in Vietnamese and also mind map in Vietnamese. The audio overview also with a good conversation, I can create them all. Even I can make a question and answer. There's contents are very fantastic. So I decided to create new videos from my old videos. This is amazing things. I realized at the moment when I used audio overview and then I edited the new video. After then, I uploaded it again on my YouTube channel, and then I try to listen again, and then much more easier to understand by listening. One of the function of listening is to remember what we heard, what we listened. That is very important. Without keeping memory, or what help? Or even though we are listening, we can catch it, all the sound, we understand what, but we don't have memory, and then not good. So, and then this is a good training to improve listening skill and as well as improving keeping memory. Then and listening is very. Um, so making new project with the uh, help of AI. I'm not a creator. It's just that I can make some content just only for uh, studying by myself. And then maybe I link and then share someone who are interested in, not many people interested in. Anyway, so and then I start with the real creator. I don't know how effective in the future. But cooperating is very important if the data, creating data is useful. The power of mine is mine as I have contents. Since I started learning foreign language and also about my job and traveling and then stand-up paddleboarding, surfing, windsurfing, yeah, uh, I can make the content with using voice typing. It's successfully, it's very easy and then time saving and also with the help of AI, I can create much more good contents well provided by AI, then I can use it, only review that. Also, again and again, and it's a much more clarified. When we are getting gold in the stream, and then getting gold in the stream, getting gold in the stream, then gold, get in gold in the stream. Oh, get gold in the stream, gold, gold. Why not? Gold, G, gold. Then we water's going away to get a purification of the gold. Then we this same we can make content recreate the basic one and the new one, best one. By doing that, and much more good contents can be um, created and edited. This project is very good for listening and getting confident and involved in our own work. This activity is very important because the remote way, because I learn Vietnamese, but I live in Korea and then no chance to communicate with the local people here, even though we have a chance, not many hours, it's very limited. The goal is to communicate with the local people when I travel there, and then maybe working is also possible if I speak Vietnamese fluently and listening well, then and then we can talk about help for each other. If the no communication, just traveling. But since I've been in Vietnam in 2017, now almost 80 years, and then I would like to much better way to travel and making content or cooperate with the people, talking about more, and that is a much good way to do that. Anyway, now I talk about how to create a project, new project, and to improve your listening skill, even the keeping memory. It's a very intelligence using AI, also intelligence, artificial intelligence. Okay, so now I get my content 2 pages, 3 pages. Oh, I did it 3 pages. I can copy and then let's see. We're using AI. In English, you make content of how to make a new project with help of AI, such as NotebookLM, using audio review and mind map after proofreading with. I add it, paste it, and then AI creates something new, a new AI project for language learning. Nice. Translate into Korean and Vietnamese above. And I can get full content. I use always in three languages. Then I can copy my contents. When I talk about one subject in three languages, each time, and then I have a new point of view from my level of language, Korean, English, and Vietnamese. Not involved with the other languages, just focusing on language I use. It's usually like three chambers, and then I go one chamber and the other chamber, the third chamber. Got it. You want this mass draft turn into clear mass draft. Oh, well structured English content about starting a new AI-based project like with NotebookLM audio review and whatnot. Improve listening, speaking, memory, and language skills. Here's a published version of your text. A new AI project for language learning. Why start this project? Since 2020, I've been learning multiple languages. At first, I used AI mainly for reference material. Then I joined online language exchange programs. Through 1 year of constant practice, I realized that the repetition, conversation, and using AI tools can make learning both simple and quick. But I also discovered something important. Listening is not only about hearing sounds. Good listening means remembering what you hear and being able to speak it back. Without memory, listening practice is incomplete. That's why I decided to design a new project to combine AI, my own YouTube content to build listening, memory, and speaking skills in a creative way. How AI helps. I use NotebookLM and other AI tools to transform my own video into powerful learning materials. Upload my old YouTube video into NotebookLM. AI analyzes the content and provides a summary in the target language, a mind map of key points, an audio review in dialogue format. Reuse the materials by editing them into new video, uploading to my channel again, listening with the or without subtitles. This process makes it possible to learn intensively from content I already know while also creating new studio material at the same time. Benefit of this method. Listening and memory training, hearing the same content in different forms help me remember it. Speaking practice, I can recall what I heard in Vietnamese, Korean, English, or another language. Creatively use. All the videos become new learning projects giving me endless material. Competence every step, listening and speaking of things makes me more confident in communication. Efficiency. Voice typing and AI save time, making story easier and more productive. Why this matters to me? I live in Korea, so I have very limited chances to practice Vietnamese with local speakers. But when I travel to Vietnam, I want to communicate naturally, not just as a tourist, but also casually for work. By using AI in this way, I can prepare myself to build strong listening and speaking skills, keep memory active and sharp, become confident enough to connect with local people. Conclusion. This project is more than just studying, it's about creating new content, not just consuming, using my own videos for learning, transforming AI into a personal language culture. AI is not replacing my effort, it is amplifying it. With this method, I can improve listening, memory, and communication skills in a powerful and creative way. In short, AI, my own content, a new path to language research. Master. Okay, done.